Your fan settings allow you to set minimum and maximum outtake fan speeds. Minimum speed outtake keeps the outtake fan running, which maintains a supply of fresh air and negative pressure in your room, preventing odors from escaping. If noise is an issue, you use maximum speed outtake. You can lower the maximum speed and therefore the maximum noise. However, only reduce the maximum speed if noise is an issue, as reducing this may make it more difficult to reduce heat in the environment. Negative pressure intake will set your intake fan speed below your outtake fan as a percent.